Here with a market outlook for a new week. Yeah, not much to say, so without further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, we're going to cover Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been a little bit shaky over the last few days, and I do expect that to continue. I want to start off with the large picture on the daily. As you can see, we've had a massive rally here. We covered this last week, and I do believe that now has the time come for a little retrace. And just to lay out my targets and my reasoning, if we look at the on-balance volume, we can actually see that currently there is no new real inflow. We had a little bit of an uptick here, made a good rally. It's slowing down. That combined with the RSI making a lower high here leads me to believe that we are very much due. We are very, very much due for another correction. And my targets are 37,300 USD and 34,306 USD based on the Fibonacci level that has been retraced all the way to the start of this rally. I combined it with some other Fib levels, but that was a little bit messy. So just for the sake of clarity, I decided not to show that. It would give us a very nice ABC correction. And, nothing much to think about it. I still believe that the alts will actually rally during this period. During all the previous Bitcoin rallies over the past 10 years that I've been doing this, I have seen the alts doing very well when Bitcoin goes sideways. And just to demonstrate that, we are going over the total two. So I expected us to retrace back to the one, and we actually did. We managed to make a very, very nice double bottom here. You can see that in the previous bear market, these were also marked as resistance, so they've now turned support. Therefore, we can align a horizontal ray here, and this is our new bottom. As far as I'm concerned, anyway, this is our new bottom. Alts should very much stable out here and continue the rally to the 1.618 or the 2.618. That very much depends how much capital we can let flow in. But I think there is plenty of capital for this. I think there's no shortage of liquidity in the market right now. Lots of inflow, especially with all the Bitcoin ETFs being bought up. I believe it was 600 million daily volume. So that is crazy. That is some really, really nice number. And so, yeah, what I expect to happen currently basically is for us to hover around here. There should be some shitcoin clearance. I don't believe that all these bonks and stuff are going to survive for a very long time. They might, but I think the liquidity can be better used on new projects, and that's the trend I see currently in the market. You do have like these shitcoins, one launches, billion capital flows in. And then when that's done, it basically dies off and onto the next shitcoin and onto the next shitcoin. It's a shitcoin factory, guys. It's a shitcoin factory, and it will be a shitcoin factory for the remainder of the year. That's what I believe. I think most of this capital increase is going to come from Solana. Honestly, Solana is just looks great. It looks amazing. We had a breach of support here, which is to be expected, of course. This is where all the retail noobs are going to sell. So I would like to basically delete this and show you that we are currently breaching the resistance, which should turn this into a very nice bull flag. There we go. Okay. There we go. And my first new target for Solana is sitting right here at the previous resistance. There we go, 157. That is not out of the world of possibilities, and this could happen within like 1 or 2 months. I do expect us to breach this level. Yeah, let's say 160 just for the sake of it. I do expect us to breach this level before the end of March. So before the end of March, we should have reached this. On-balance volume looks amazing, very little sells, loads of buys, lots of upwards pressure. So things are just looking good. Things are looking amazing. My final target, coincidentally, for Solana in this bull run is 420. So it's a nice number. And, fate is a funny thing. Destiny is a funny thing. Last but not least, I would like to showcase Perpetual. Perpetual is doing really well. We had a very, very nice breakout here. Yeah, once again, expected. This is just very, very typical for the crypto market. It breached below resistance again. However, if we look at the on-balance volume, let's see, I would like to measure this. We can see that currently we are up 37% with 171 million coins being bought up and taken off the market. So that is a very nice thing. You know, that is sweet. I am heavily invested in this. I do believe that this will perform really, really well. Now, I was thinking about showcasing shitcoins, you know, like when, but if I do that, I'm basically gonna promote shit, and I don't really want to promote shit at this point yet. I'm looking into shit. I will get more knowledge of shit for this run, and then I will share the shit. So please be patient with that one. For now, I hope you all have a great trading week. Make sure to do some risk management. Don't be afraid of it. You know, you don't want to be overexposed to worthless altcoins. So if you make a banger, make sure to take it out, reinvest it in Bitcoin, and just rinse and repeat, right? Rinse and repeat. So for now, I wish you a happy week. Stay safe and happy trading.